Hi guys, today's video, I'm just going to unbox two boxes. Alright, let's try out this one first. Like, you're never gonna see it. Oh god. Oh. That's pretty cool. Oh. Yo, what? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Please? It might be. How's it go? Oh. Let's go! Let's go! Nothing there. Oh, there's some stuff. What should I got? Blank ink? Let's go! I got a guy. I got a little cute guy. Oh, so cute. Oh, it has a bell. Next one is last one is this one. It might be ripped. So let's just open. It's ripped. It's ripped. Open. I can see there's right. And then the final one. Rare. I cannot tell him what that is. I don't know. Alright. Got the packet. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Dude. You gotta be kidding me.
Did you get a duplicate?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
I picked a wrong one, right?
There was only one box left. Are you done recording?